Let's reset the kitchen. It needs a little bit of tidying up. I change this every day because it gets really filthy easily. So I will just spray and wipe this. This one needs cleaning. I have to put some stuff to remove this stain. I don't know, one of the kids cooked something and it overflowed, so it's all over the place. I'll just use gloves because it's a chemical. This one is a bit strong on skin. Usually, nagbabalat-balat ako pagka ginamit ko to. So, I'll just put that over there. And wet this corner. And just actually remove that. You can remove that. See that? So I'll leave that for a while, maybe for 5 minutes, and I'll go to the other side, the side of this one, like it's filthy as well. It's Sunday and I didn't get any call from all my, well, usually I get on-call offer for shift from two company, and if I see some available shift at an independent support worker app like Mabel, I will pick up when I can, but I was too busy this morning, so I didn't check Mabel, and then I didn't receive any call, so I don't think I will accept at this time if ever they offer me a shift, because you know what, support workers have life too. Even if we are casual, we plan our days. So if they let us know by Friday that they need us for a Sunday or Saturday shift, then we can plan ahead, right? But if they're gonna call you around 6 o'clock to start a 7 o'clock shift and expect you to say yes, well, bugger off. There's other things to do. We have our personal lives as well, and of course, once you plan your day, you don't want to be ruined. Although it's money, yes, money is money, but sometimes you have to look after yourself as well, right? But then, yeah, this is my off. Like, first, I rarely get a day off, but when I stay at home, this is what I do. I clean, I cook, I shop. I'll probably browse around social media or something like that, or just lay down in bed for a bit, but that's it, nothing. Then later on I'll cook dinner. That's how we have days off in living abroad, or like if we're overseas. It's not like we're just, you know, shitting money out of our asses. Those things, we don't do those things. We are not privileged enough to do that, unless of course we were born millionaire, or if we won lotto. Oh wow, that's good, but I don't even buy lotto anymore because I gave up. I think we should be working hard to earn money rather than putting your life on luck. Like, you know, work hard. Luck will be luck, but if you're not lucky enough, you won't get it. That's it. This is tiring. So that's it. I didn't try my best, try hard enough, because you know what, it won't matter. It's just gonna be dirty afterwards. And because I'm renting, if ever we leave the house, like move to another house, then we can just ask someone to ban clean this. That's it. Oops, how do you do this now? Don't even know how to put it back. Hang on, let me work this out. This black bit here needs washing, but I couldn't be bothered. I'll just give it a good wipe. It's a bit greasy, but it will be greasy again anyway, so just wipe it off. It looks okay. I have cleaned this other side before, like probably 3 days ago after I cooked something. I cleaned this off and there's no marks anyway, just like the other one. So I'll just give this a good quick wipe. Quick wiping, that's it. Oh my god, the struggle is real. I don't know how to put these things back. That's it, that's better. That's it, just wipe, wipe, wipe. Then wipe the side. And I'll have to put these rags in bleach. That's why I bought the bleach yesterday, so I can remove the stains. It's only for cleaning surfaces anyway. And then I'll just give this wall a little bit of spray and wipe. I know my daughter cleaned this area when she was here. Oh god, we Filipinos love collecting the empty jars and use it for something, and I've been putting away some jars here, an empty Coffee Mate bottle, and she threw it all in the bin. It's like, what the heck is mommy's doing with all these empty jars? Oh, we do that. We think we can still use it, but honestly, we're just collecting rubbish. This area, this bit, when you're cooking, they get really oily. So a little bit of this chemical, yes, chemical. I'm not promoting, but that will remove the greasy part. And then you just rinse it off with another clean rag. Just wet the rag with water, and that's it. It will be less greasy. These things, particularly, you have to maintain it well when you're renting, because when you are vacating a house, you don't want it looking like you're a bogan, you know? Leave the house really disgusting and not up to the clean standard that you should be returning the place on a standard. When you come in, it will be clean, and then you should leave it clean as well. Just respect the area, the house, as it is your own. That's it. I should be wiping the whole area at the top, but I'm not gonna force myself to do that today because it's gonna be hurting my arm and my shoulder, and plus I'm too small. I need a ladder for this. See, that's better. If you have allergies on like chemical smell, you just put your mask on. Oh, I forgot I don't have any more gloves. So I was washing my hand before, it got cold. Accidentally poke it. So that will be okay. I'll rinse it, and I rinse this and wipe it off with water.